Hi guys, good morning. So for today's video, it's very exciting. Exciting ko na. Sabi naka-excite. So anyway guys, I just wanna share sa inyo na last day ko na pala dito sa workplace ko dito sa Nashville. And then in 2 weeks, magwo-work na ako, lilipat ako doon kasi tinanggap nila yung transfer ko, 'di ba? So lilipat na ako ng workplace, pero same lang din ang company sa public spirit, pero lilipat na ako sa ibang lugar. So, I'm so happy kasi yung transfer na request ko is tinanggap nila. Kasi, alam nyo guys, pag mag-transfer ka, minsan talaga, need talaga ng recommendation from your manager, and then plus points na yan if tutulungan ka ng store manager. So, yun yung ginawa ng manager ko, yung daily manager namin, kasi sabi niya sa akin, yung store manager daw namin is tinulungan din daw ako kasi I'm doing a good job. Tama din naman guys, na I'm doing a good job sa work ko. Lagi talaga akong ina-appreciate ng mga ka-workmate ko, which is like, nakakataba lang ng puso kasi ganun yung nila sa akin. So, yun nga, na ako. Last day ko na dito. Today is Sunday. And, mag-work ako ng 9 a.m. pala until 6. Sometimes 9 a.m. hanggang 7. So, last week, ang taas-taas ang work ko. So, ngayon is 9 to 6. So, buti na lang guys, nasa mid-shift ako kasi after work, pupunta kami sa Walmart para bibili ng mga school supplies kasi no tax today, last day na today. So, kailangan namin mamili ng school supplies ng mga bata. 14 minutes na lang, pupunta na ako sa loob. So, see ya na lang later. Ay, hindi pala, nakalimutan ko pala i-share sa inyo na yung mga bata, paglakaw na ako, is tulog pa. So, si Tom nag-work siya today. Then, mga 8:30, nakauwi na siya. So, ayun, nag-ready na ako. And then, pumasok na. Nag-wait na lang ako hanggang 9 dito. 9 a.m. So, see ya later pala. Ang ganda ng araw. Ayan, ang ganda ng panahon ngayon. Init-init siya, guys. Ang ganda-ganda ng lugar namin, no? So, see you later everyone. Thank you so much pala sa pag-watch. So, while waiting pala guys, nagka-coffee muna ako. Kasi wala akong kain today before work. So, coffee is life muna tayo. Kuya pa kayo kugmag. Ay, kay Tom man eh. Gigamit na ako. Dami ay. 11 minutes na lang, papasok na ako sa loob. Ganito ako guys, minsan nagkakape lang, minsan kumakain din ako ng kanin. Parang busog kasi ako guys, kasi ang dami kong nakain kagabi, or kahapon pala. So napag-isipan ko na lang na magkape na lang. Sabi na akong alarm. Hala ako ang pala. Wait, nakalimutan ko yung eyeglass ko, pero ayaw kong malate. Hi, Ayoy! Long time no see. Good morning! Shoot. Hi, Christian.
How you doing today?
I'm doing good, thank you. How are you?
Alright, what time are you here till today?
Until 6.
Same.
Okay. Already same time. Hala, I forgot my plan. Kasi kalimutan ko yung eyeglass. Let's go. See you later pala. Hi guys. Lunch break ko na. So it's already 1 p.m. And then yung out ko is 6. So my 1 to 2 yung lunch break ko. And then 2 to 6. So may 4 hours pa. Grabe ka busy. Every Sunday talaga yung busy. I mean every week. But kananay mas busy yun ang Sunday. Alam niyo nung pagkadating ko talaga doon hanggang mag-lunch na lang ako, wala akong pahinga. I mean, non-stop ba? Kasi grabe ka busy. I'm doing the online orders, so I have my little area there. Like I told them like, okay na ako dito, okay na ako dito na maggawa ng online order sa sa mga sandwich. Kaya sabi nila, ay nandyan ka pala Rachel. Sabi ko, oo, kasi mas better na nandoon na ako sa isang tawag dyan? Isang sulok na gagawa ng online. Ang dami kasing nag-online orders guys. Kaya if kayo sa Publix, just do online orders para pagdating nyo doon sa Publix is kananay inyuhan na lang pick upon. You don't need to wait. I'm so proud of myself. Kanang I did the nibble platter, the cheese and meat. And then my manager told me, oh, you're doing a good job, Rachel. Okay. Beautiful ko na akong gihimo. Charat. I'm so happy guys. Every time na ako sa work ay kananay mo appreciate gid sila. Nag-appreciate talaga sila sa akin. Especially kung ako yung magawa ng platter or basta everything. Even yesterday one of my workers sabi niya sa akin na ako daw yung isa sa mga nakatrabaho niya na buutan and always mag-help. Kasi guys, pag meron I'm sorry.
No, you're fine.
Thank you. Pag may mga new people kasi, I will help them as much as I can kasi I can relate when I first work there ba. My first day, second week, my first week, so it's not easy, especially if you don't have idea what to do. And then yung mga workers mo is so busy na sa mga customers, so para kang ma-left out. And then may customer na hindi mo alam kung ano yung gusto mong gawin. So that's why if may new talaga, ako talaga nag-initiate na, okay ka lang ba? Do you need anything? Kasi yun din yung naranasan ko and I don't want them to feel like that. So mauna to siya guys. Punta ako sa McDonald's kasi yung McDonald's is malapit lang siya dito. Kalasan ako gas, uy. I realize now. But anyway, I'm gonna go to McDonald's and get some food for my lunch. And see you later na lang. Bye-bye! So guys, naan ako diri and tapos na pala akong kumain, patay akong pila. Ala, kung belag na taggal! Ayan. Tulog. May pagwala ko gitandang. First time ko pala na hindi ako nagsuot ng glasses today kasi nakalimutan ko siya sa car, so hindi na lang ako bumalik kasi nga sa sobrang busy ko. So pagdating ko doon, like non-stop talaga yung gawain ko. So sabi ko hindi ko na lang kunin yung glasses uwi kasi okay naman, okay naman di ay nga wala glasses. But anyway, na ako'y Coke, and then yung lunch ko is yung chicken wraps sa McDonald's. So I spent $4 lang sa akong lunch. So nga na ako katipid, as long as makatipid, diha-jud ko. So, mga na to siya guys, maadto na ko sa sulod, and see you later. Magbili tayo ng mga bili tayo ng school supplies. So, bye-bye. Hi guys. So, may pa-free cookies. Wow. Galing Japan yung yung manager ko, and then ito yung dala niya. This looks yummy. Try natin ito. Ito galing from Japan guys. It tastes so good. Ang sarap. May isang coworker ako nagdala ng adobo sa akin. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Balik muna ako work. Hello guys. Finally, nakauwi na ako. Bye, Mindy! So anyway, today is my last day. Balik-balik. So it's already 7 na pala. Ako guys. Nag-overtime ako ng 1 oras. Sana nga mag-closing, pero sinabi ko na hindi pwede kasi sito matulog ng maaga. So I can't be closing. But nag-overtime ako ng 1 oras para makahelp sa kanila kahit saglit lang. So ayun, nakahelp ako kasi marami din customer, and naglinis din ako ng slicer. So anyway, I'm so happy kasi nilutuan ako ng katrabaho ko ng adobo. Tingnan nyo nga, yan chicken adobo. He is Korean, pero alam niya man magluto kasi sabi niya sa akin marunong daw siya magluto. So nakatry daw siya magluto og adobo, and then natingala ko ganina, I didn't expect this na magdala pala siya ng adobo. So this is our dinner with my kids. It looks yummy though. And then one of my managers said, "Ay, what is that food nga nasa nasa freezer, sa fridge?" And I said like, "It's chicken adobo." And then sabi niya, looks gross daw. Kasi tingnan nyo nga, yan Pero sabi ko, it's okay kasi magdala ako dito ng lumpia at saka adobo next time pag mag-drop off ako sa mga bata. And then sabi niya, happy naman daw siya pag makatry siya. I-try daw niya. Pero sabi niya nga, the girls daw, natawa siya sa akin. Kung binigay yan sa akin ni Ben. And then, so mga to guys, thank you so much kaayo. Uuwi na ako kasi matulog na yun si Tom. And pupunta kami sa Walmart tonight. So, see ya! See you later. Bye-bye. Hi guys! So, I'm home.
I don't want to. Mommy, how to the game?
No.
Please.
We are going to Walmart right now. What are we gonna do sa Walmart? Magbuy og school supplies for Kuya Wesley and Kuya William. And Waylon po di ay may school na di ka? May school na ka?
Anda.
Ha?
Anda.
Kuya William and Kuya Wesley, ha?
Anda. And mommy. Anda.
Mm.
And then do one.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
And that.
Mm. It's man sa Wesley. Waylon ay tabian kayo. Soon maka-istorya na gid ni siya og tarong, no?
Yeah?
Sige na, let's go now. Let's go, guys. Let's go, everyone. Come here now. Your shoes, Wesley. I'm gonna get Kuya Wesley shoes. Walay uso a kapoy ang inahan, no? It's right here. Your shoes is right here, love. Balik. Thank you, Wes. For teaching Wesley, boy. Waylon. Sige na. Where are you going, Ray? Here, Wes. Waylon, no. There is a car. Don't do that.
No, you can eat daddy's car. You eat daddy's car, Waylon. You get in trouble.
Yes, don't do that.
And then the car.
Huh?
I tell when you don't hear the daddy's car.
Yeah. Wesley boy, are you excited sa mong school?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Excited na ka?
I'm excited to meet my friend.
Wow, excited na ka makakita kag mga friends. Right?
Yeah.
Unsa pa? Teachers.
And little friend. And Michael. And
Kuya Michael's gonna be
Brayden.
in the middle school. So you, Brayden, Kuya William, you, Kuya Brayden,
our
Kuya
boys.
William, and Ate Joseph in the same school.
Are bullies in school?
I don't know, but you have to be nice, huh? And if someone will bully you, you will tell your teacher about it. Okay? No other kids.
Okay.
Thank you. Alam nyo guys, kampante ako ka Wesley na hindi talaga yan siya mag-ano ng other kids kasi behave man yan siya sa iba. Sa akin lang man yan siya kanang na ay bibibihon. Pero kung unahan po nini mo, di po ni palupig. So, more to guys. Let's go now. It's already 7:39.
Why you fart?
So, 11 man mag-close ang moment. For sure, daghan kay tao karon. So, we'll see na lang. Bye-bye. Sabi ni Westy guys, boy na daw ngayon si Waylon. Ngano ka ni West? Nganong boy naman si Waylon? Kai?
When it's almost 6.
No, Waylon's gonna be 4 next year.
I wanna see out.
Huh?
Wanna see your sound?
Yeah, he's 3 years old.
And he be again. He's almost at 4 years old.
Yeah.
And he's 4
smart.
years old. He can be in 6. He can be in 5 years old.
Yes.
That's mommy. I'm in 5. 5. No, mommy 6 years old.
Yes. Hala, how old lagi ka ano, Wes?
5.
Ikaw, how old are you? How old are you, Wes?
5.
Next year, pila naman yung age?
Then it's almost 5. Oh.
No. He's only 3. So after 3, what is?
It's 4.
Yes, after 4.
After 4 it's 5.
After 5.
It's after 5 means 6.
Yes, you're gonna be 6 next year.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, I
I'm gonna be
can't believe
6.
you're a big boy now.
No, we're at.
I can't believe my crybaby boy is a big boy and is gonna go to school.
I know I'll go.
You know what, Wesley? I'm so excited that you go to school, but I'm a little bit nervous
You're nervous.
because I can't believe you're going to kindergarten. It's like the same feelings that I felt when William was in preschool. Like,
What dear you sound?
no, William starts at school, go to school at 4 years old.
I'm not gonna go to school.
I'm a little bit nervous and I'm happy because you're a big boy now. I can't believe I have 3rd grader and kindergarten. And then Mayron's gonna be pre-K next year. So you guys are big now.
Growing garden?
Now kindergarten.
Kindergarten.
You're a big boy now, guys. But mommy is happy though. You can go to school, making friends. You're gonna be... I know you're gonna be a smart little kid.
Hey, that's good.
Katawa mo yun eh.
I know I'll come 6 now.
Huh?
I know I'll come 6.
Yeah, that's why you told me you don't know how to count, even though you know how. But that's why that's the reason you go to school, to learn something. Right? Right, Liz?
Yeah.
Yeah. So don't be scared. And if you ask something, if you have a question, you should tell your teacher and you don't need to be shy, okay?
Jimmy.
If you ask something or if you have something to say, you don't go on shy or don't be scared. Just tell me or your teacher, okay? Because I know you're a good boy.
Yeah.
Nakatulog na si Wesley, guys. Ay, Wesley! Kagwapuha man ani natulog, ay? Ano man yung gwapuha man ni matulog din bataan eh?
Why?
Na, Kuya Wesley so gwapo.
Apo?
So guys, kanina pa kami dito sa Walmart. Pero kay gadrama pa man ko. Naghilak pa ang iabab. Alam mo, so na parang nilugay-lugay. Tingnan nyo nga yan si Wesley, guys. Ay, nag-iyak pa until now. So, nandito na pala kami sa Walmart, guys. And ito yung mga school supplies.
Mama.
Huh?
Mama. Did.
Okay. So, ito yung anuhin natin. Bitingnan natin to. So, kuha tayo ng crayons. This is for you, no? This is for Kuya William. Yeah? Yeah. Yes. Get this one, baby. This is for Wesley and Kuya William. Wes. Blue for you and for Kuya William. Which one would you like? You want pants? Like this? Huh? Okay, Raka. Ingan, nebe? Huh? Can you try? Is it okay? Yeah, it fits on you for sure. Come on, get down. Tala, dito ka. Guys, tingnan. Gapuha mo na niya nakapantalon. Kung ganito yung kasama mo, guys, pag mag-shopping kayo, ay nako. Taasan nyo talaga pasensya. Wesley? Wesley, asa mo ha, Wesley?
What?
Yung mukhang kuan.
What?
Ano sa'yo maganahan?
Baton?
Yes.
I'm not dead.
I'm sorry.
No, I'm not dead. I'm Sonic.
Hata, dako sa daan na, oy. Kana rang gamay.
I'm not Sonic.
I know, but dako man kay na.
It is very long.
Hmm.
Emmy, no. Emmy.
How about Spider-Man?
I'm man. Emmy, I'm a pet. I think I already have a Spider-Man cup. Yellow cup.
Huh?
Mommy, I'm a piece. Mommy.
Mag-ihi muna kami. They miss their kuya. You. Guys, nasa bathroom muna kami, guys. Kasi nahihila na si Wesley. Ano yung dalawa ay? Lah! Sige, batay ng kamot. So, tapos na po kaming mamili. Ha? Stay daw siya sa Walmart eh. Nalingaw mo, Wes? Did you have fun? Yeah? That's good. Mm-hmm. Very good. I'm glad you had fun. You behave? You sure? Okay, let's go now. Mag-haul po tayo pag uwi ng bahay. So, mag-check out na guys. Nagka-problema pa guys ay kasi nawala yung receipt ko. Tatlo yung resibo ko and then nawala yung resibo ko ng ano. Ganito. Kasi hindi siya nalagay sa plastic bag. So, I don't know where is it. Oh my goodness. It's crazy. Nalipat ko kaya mga bata, sige ugkuan. Guys, muntikan, na-hold pa kami. Nawala yung resibo ko. Oh my goodness. I know. I forgot where did I put the receipt. You guys need to listen to me next time. Kay ma-distract ko. Ali dire, gunit dire sa cart. No, na police. Na-hold kami talaga sa security guard. Yahak na. Pero binayaran ko kasi yun kasi yun yung second transaction. So, anong oras na? Mag-11 PM na ay.
You want the money? You want money?
Wala, maghanap tayo money. Wala tayo money.
My piggy bank.
Wala kayo money sa piggy bank. Mm. May pulis, sige. Kasabaan kag pulis, basta di ka malisin ka, mami. Wesley.
You don't listen. A police gonna get you.
Mm.
Oh, do you know that?
Yes.
We have an outfit in the car. We have an outfit in the car. Beanbag.
Hi guys. So, pauwi na po kami. I'm so hungry na talaga. Nakakapagod. So, 11 na. Ikapoy na kay ko.
Mommy.
So, mag-edit pa ko para maka-upload kong video. So, see you there, guys.
And mommy.
Hi, guys.
Hi guys.
So, we just got home and I I'm so hungry na, Jude. So, we stopped by sa Panda Express para bumili lang po ng fried rice. And then, we have mansudan.
Mommy, give me to the happy.
Yes, that's coffee.
What's what?
My friend cooked this for me.
Muffin. Muffin. Get that for me.
My co-worker. This looks yummy. Ay, nag-effort betan daw siya, ani.
You want this. You want this.
So, I can't wait to try that one. Lagay muna natin siya sa microwave. I have 2 slices. Nasad talaga yung mga co-workers ko, guys. Kasi ako, I can get along with them.
No.
And kanang dili ko kopi ko, na ba?
What this say? What this say?
Tama ba? A shooting star tonight will bring you good luck tomorrow. Oh my goodness!
What I mean?
A shooting star.
Or I can't see us putting star, Daddy.
This smells yummy.
Mommy.
Ano kaya yung nilagay niya dito? No? Oh,
Mommy. Are you friend ready to cook that?
yeah. Thank you. Thank you sa friend ko. Kahit ano siya, lumaki siya dito, but Korean po siya. So, dito siya na siya lumaki. And then, sabi niya sa akin, alam niya magluto ng adobo. Ihapon kong gilutuan o adobo, which is na-appreciate ko. Ito yung binili namin sa ano.
Rice and
guys.
chicken. Rice. Chicken. Banana. Chicken. Banana. Chicken. Banana. Mommy. Mommy, I want. Mommy.
A little bit rice.
Mommy. Mommy, stop.
I will hungit you.
What? Why I always feed myself? Why I feed myself?
Because you're big boy now.
I don't want to feed myself.
No, you have to.
I will
When you
not-
go to school, you're gonna feed yourself.
Huh?
When you go to school, you have to feed yourself.
Mommy, where's my chicken?
What's that?
I want the big chicken.
Kain po tayo, guys.
I want a big chicken.
Hold on. No. Let's try the adobo first.
Yeah, let's try it first. Very good. We're gonna eat.
Let's try the adobo first, guys. So yummy.
Really? Mommy.
Ang sarap. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yummy?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
So good. Thank you so much na nagbigay. Hindi siya makadungog ani. Kain muna kami, guys, and i-end ko na tong vlog na to. Bukas na lang ako mag-haul pag dating ko doon sa bahay kasi pagod na talaga ako, guys. Mag-edit pa ako. So, see you and goodbye. And then mag-reply pa ako sa mga paninda ko. Bye-bye, guys! If you guys want a Victoria's Secret na pabango and mga bags, just PM me po, Itchings Life or W's Tendent Brands from USA. So, yun lang po and good night. Bye-bye!